Hello, welcome to Safe Money Retirement. Come on in. Let me introduce you to Kristen. She is our office manager and receptionist. She'll be the one here in the reception area taking care of you when you first come in. Here's the waiting area when you first come in so you can wait for your appointment. Come on back. This is our conference room. This is typically where we do our second appointment, so I can project up onto the big screen exactly what we're going to look at for you. This is the studio. A lot of people like seeing this. This is where I do all of the audio and video production for my podcast, everything you see on YouTube, webinars, all that kind of stuff. Everything like that happens here in this room. So come on this way. This is my wife, Melissa, hard at work. She takes care of marketing for us. This is the seminar room. So we bring in small groups. We've got a lot of different topics: Social Security, Medicare, taxes and retirement, a lot of different things we bring people in to talk about specific things. And then lastly, this is my office. So this is where you would sit when you come in for your appointment. We would sit and discuss exactly what's going to be the best fit for you and come up with what's going to be a great plan for you. Look forward to meeting with you soon.